December 19th. On the left, we have Grise St. John. On the right, we have what I call In for short. I'll write the full name on the video. Don't want to mispronounce the name, so I'm not going to attempt it. So we are going to try this one first. It is a honey fig. It does have a small breba crop, and it's rather late. So we'll see. Well, at this stage, I would say the LSU hollier I had a month ago, it's earlier and tastes a little more flavorful. Now it's just very mildly sweet. They're supposed to be more sweeter than that's what I expected, but it's not, and it's quite small. It does have a nice, interesting flavor compared to just a Peter's honey or like a LSU hollier. There is a different flavor to it. It's quite hard to describe and like pinpoint exact flavor when the fruit's so small, and it's not the ideal. I think next year we have better harvest, a better accurate description. So I would say it's different than the other honey figs, but to explain why, you'll have to eat it yourself. So we have a Violette Delphine. It is no, correct me, my head's thinking about something else. Grise St. John. It has a small eye. Come out. Very nice looking fig. Has a lot of acid in it. Skin is quite nice. So it's similar to a Violette of de Bordeaux VD. Oh, he found me. Okay, here we go, Long. Which one do you want to try? That's a honey fig.
And then which one is the
This is sweet. This is sweeter. You can have them both. It's yours. Oh my gosh.
So you already
You can have, yeah, you can have them both. Gosh. So there is a light seed crunch to the Grise St. John. It's similar to VBD, except it ripens later, and it does not have it doesn't have a breba crop. It has only a main crop, but it ripens in fall. So it's a great French fig to have, and I better cut this review short since the kids are here now. See you next time.